President-elect Biden and Vice President-elect Harris, I'm honored by your trust in me and humbled by the task at hand. And I am hopeful because of your leadership. As it is for both of you, everything starts with family for me. And I'm forever grateful for the love and support of my wife, our children, and our parents. Mr. President-elect, we've known each other for a long time, and our relationship has been forged under immense pressure. The severity of the Great Recession, the challenge of implementing the Affordable Care Act, and the daily decisions a White House makes that affect the lives of millions of Americans. You and President Obama knew how to build a team with the right diversity of backgrounds and views, a team to make progress on difficult situations and capture enormous opportunities. That's what I've tried to do throughout my career. I'm not a doctor or a public health expert. In fact, we've got the best ones in the world on this team. But I do know management and execution. And the key part of the role you've asked me to take on is the last part, coordinator. It's about empowering experts, developing a culture of teamwork, and maintaining a focus on strategy and execution. It's knowing that leadership requires expertise, transparency, and prioritization. It also requires trust, truth, and integrity. To the American people, that's what this team will provide. We will utilize the full capacity of the federal government to get this pandemic under control, to harness and examine the data to expand testing, to deliver equipment and PPE to those on the front lines, to provide resources for schools and businesses to operate safely, to address the racial disparities and inequities of this pandemic, to rejoin the global fight against COVID-19, because no one is safe until everyone is safe. And with our collective expertise, we will oversee the rollout of the vaccine, which, as the President-elect said, will be one of the greatest operational challenges our country has ever faced. And we also will pull the country together across governments at the federal, state, and local levels, and across the private sector. And as we begin this work, Mr. President-elect, I remember what you told me when we were implementing the Affordable Care Act. Your message was, I know this is no small task. I know you and the team are feeling tremendous pressure to succeed, and we want and need the team to pull this off. You then said, I know you and the team can do this, but I need to promise me one thing, that you will always, always give it to us straight, because we have to understand the challenge we're facing. Because most of all, we're in this together, and together we can do this. President-elect Biden, Vice President-elect Harris, and the American people, this team will always give it to you straight. The work ahead will not be easy, but we know what needs to be done, and we will get it done together. Thank you.
The biggest stories the moment they happen from around the globe. Subscribe to Bloomberg Quicktake now for insight in an instant.